Okay, students, next experiment is to prove that carbon dioxide is produced during respiration in germinating seeds. Okay, first we have done oxygen is used up during respiration by germinating seeds. Now we will do carbon dioxide is produced during respiration. Take two flasks, name them A and B. Place some wet cotton at bottom of each flask to provide water. Okay, in first flask place soaked seeds, means भीगे हुए beans लेने हैं, and in second put boiled seeds, and also put some carbolic acid, means antiseptic, to prevent bacterial growth on dead seeds. Okay, the flowers are securely corked, means corked लगाने हैं दोनों के ऊपर, and left in similar conditions of light and temperature. Okay, after few days the seeds in flask A will you will found that it is clearly germinated, and in this flask no signs of germination is there. Then take a test tube, have a lime water in that. Then we have to test the gases in each flask. Okay, in first we will put take means first flask. When we put the gas from this flask, it easily flow down because the carbon dioxide is heavier than air, so it will easily flow down into the test tube, and the lime water turn milky. Lime water turn milky means in this flask carbon dioxide is present. Okay, and when we put this flask, we put over this test tube, no signs is there, means lime water doesn't change. So what we will prove that germinating seeds produce carbon dioxide during respiration. Okay, next is experiment to prove that carbon dioxide is produced by green plants during respiration. Set up an apparatus as shown in figure 7.5. We have to take a small potted plant and put a bell jar over this. Okay, put Vaseline over the bottom so that it become airtight, no air will pass. Then we have to put two flasks A and B and in both flasks we have to take lime water. Okay, here we have inserted a tube and a bell jar over the cork. Over the bell jar we have to put a cork, and okay, then we have taken lime water in these two. This the outside air is drawn into the apparatus with the help of air pump. Through this outside air is drawn into the apparatus with the help of an air pump. The air passes through the soda lime, which absorb any carbon dioxide present in the incoming air. Okay, because soda lime we put here, so the air coming means if there is carbon dioxide present, the soda lime will absorb that. So in this lime water doesn't turn milky, because soda lime, if in a carbon dioxide is present in air, the soda lime will absorb that. Okay, through this, then in other flasks the air have to leave from here. The air leaves the bell jar and passes through the sample of lime water, flask B, and this when the air passes here in the flask, when it reach the lime water turn milky. So what will we see? That this plant respire. When it respire, it produce carbon dioxide. So when the carbon dioxide, we prove by this, when it is present, reach here, the lime water turn milky, because in the presence of carbon dioxide that lime water turn milky. So it is necessary also this to carry out this experiment in dark or by covered by a piece of black cloth to prevent photosynthesis, because carbon dioxide liberated in respiration, it is used up by synthesis of starch. So we have to perform the experiment in dark, or we have to cover by a piece of black cloth to prevent photosynthesis. Okay, but we will prove that green plants also produce carbon dioxide during respiration.